Good evening, friends. Welcome to another episode of the Fab Couture channel. Today, in this episode, I take an opportunity to thank you all for the love and affection which you have been showering upon us for the past few years. It is only because of this love and affection that today we can claim to be the biggest fabric selling platform in India with the maximum variety of fabrics available in the widest categories. And not only that, today we can boast to be the only platform over the world which is offering online dyeing services to the customers. Yes, it is online dyeing services which differentiates us and makes us so very special. No wonder we have the maximum variety of dyeable fabrics available at our platform fabcouture.in. Friends, what dyeing is all about? Dyeing is the simple process of adding color to your fabric. Color can be added to the fabric in a variety of ways, like there can be a mill-dyed fabric, there can be a yarn-dyed fabric, and there is the next option, that is the dyeable fabric. There's nothing much you can do about the mill-dyed or yarn-dyed fabric colors because you have to pick them as they are available. But when it is a dyeable fabric, you can add the choice of your color to it. You can have it in a color as you want it. And the same is reflected in your outfit later. Now the question arises, what does the color do to the fabric? Color gives the fabric its personality, its attitude, which is reflected on the outfit. A same fabric in white would look very pure, very pristine, very peaceful, and the same when dyed in red will become very radiant, full of energy, and would look better at a different occasion than a white would look. Same fabric when dyed in yellow would become will become a very happy and a cheerful color and will look better at a different occasion. Then there are events where you want to follow a theme or you have to wear a particular color, so you need the fabric in that color. Then the dyeing need arises. Like if it's a haldi, you might want to wear it in a yellow, so a fabric can simply be dyed in yellow. If it is a mehndi, you might like to wear it in green. Or if Valentine's Day is around the corner, you might need the fabric in red. Here, Fab Couture comes to your rescue and offer their dyeing services at a very minimum charge of ₹90 per meter. Let me show you what the color does to the fabric. Look at this jacquard fabric, which is a dyeable one. It is in white, and the same fabric, when it is dyed in red, has an entirely different look. You can get it dyed in any color. It picks up bright colors very nicely. And then look at this gota fabric. This is an embroidered net gota fabric. We have dyed it in peach, and a nice border makes it a full-fledged dupatta which can be used with lehengas or suits. This is the magic of dyeing. Let's have another look. This is a Banarsi jacquard dupatta. It is in white, will look good with golden or white suits, but here we have dyed it in a bright magenta and orange color, which has changed the look entirely. This is what dyeing does to your fabric. Now I will also talk about the various kinds of dyes which are available. First of all, have a look at this fabric. It's a Shivori dye. This is a Chanderi fabric. Look at plain Chanderi, which looks like this. And it has been dyed in Shivori. Shivori is a technique where the fabric is tied with threads to give a different pattern. Now this Shivori is customizable service at Fab Couture. That is, you can just pick the fabric which you want and then just let us know the colors you want it in, and we can get the Shivori dyed in the color of your choice. Again, this fabric is a modal satin and it has been Shivori dyed. Modal satin is more flowy than Chanderi, so this is more softer and flowy. Another method of dyeing is the clamp dye, where the fabric is tied on a clamp to create various patterns like this circular pattern or the rhombus pattern as this has been done it. This is again a modal satin fabric, and this service is also customizable. That means you can have it in a color of your own choice. Here I will show you a fabric where it's a pasted mirror fabric in chiffon. This is in white with a nice border, and it is a very nice fabric for dupattas. You can get it dyed in any color for your dupattas. Here we have got it dyed in multi-colors. Look at the beauty of the colors here. You can also pick colors of your own choice to have a beautiful dupatta with your suit, lehenga, sharara. Here I'll show you another fabric which is sequence embroidered fabric. It has silver and golden sequins over it, and it is a white dyeable fabric, just perfect for the bridesmaid dress. The color makes it so very special. It can also be your wedding gown. And the same fabric, when dyed in this deep maroon color, becomes all the more special and gives a very bridal look and will be just perfect for the bridal outfit. This is what dyeing does to the fabric. Now, how do you order for dyeing at our portal? It's a very simple process. You just need to order the fabric first of all, and then you need to choose the color from our shade card. We have a color chart, online color chart at our website. I'll also post the link in the comment section. But if you're very particular about colors, you need to have a shade card with yourself. Like this is a telephone shade card which is easily available everywhere, and it is also available at our at fabcouture.in. You can choose your colors from this shade card and order. Just tell us the shade number and we will get it dyed for you. Also, if you follow the Pantone shade card, we also refer to that, and if you want to give us any Pantone shade card reference, we can help you choose the colors from that also. If you do not follow any shade card, you can just send us a reference picture and we'll get the color dyed according to that. But in that cases, sometimes there is a problem because the screen colors look different because of different screen settings. So if you are very particular, we would recommend buying a shade card for yourself. To inform you that if you get a particular fabric dyed once and you want the same color later, there's always a difficulty matching that because every time the dyeing effect tends to be a little different. So you have to think about this before ordering next time. So that's all for today. Have a nice week. Bye bye.